Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom main house with detached helpers quarters. This property is located at Shaw Park, Ocho Rios. It sits on approximately 1 acre of land with a phenomenal, unobstructed view of the cruise ship pier and the town of Ocho Rios. The ground floor comprises of 1 bedroom with ensuite bathroom, powder room, foyer, living, dining room, kitchen, and a huge balcony extending the entire width of the building. The upper level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and a more commanding view of the coastline, just under 8 minutes to the resort town of Ocho Rios, and all amenities for a comfortable lifestyle. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
The new asking price for this house is US 690,000 or Jamaican $107.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.